Honda Grom Best Motorcycle for Beginners. In the world of beginner motorcycles, few bikes have captured as much attention and affection as the Honda Grom. With its compact size, approachable design, and fun-loving character, the Grom has become a standout favorite among new riders, and for good reason. For 2025, it continues to be celebrated as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, offering an ideal blend of simplicity, efficiency, and style. Launched in 2014 and now in its third generation, the Honda Grom has carved out a unique place in the motorcycle world. It's often called a mini-moto, but don't let its size fool you. The Grom delivers a full dose of riding enjoyment, wrapped in a smaller, lighter, and friendlier package. For those new to motorcycling, it's the perfect platform to learn the basics, build confidence, and have fun doing it. At the heart of the Grom is a 123.9 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing around 9.7 horsepower. While that might sound modest, it's more than enough for urban commuting, weekend rides, or cruising around town. The engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission, which was upgraded in recent models to offer better versatility and improved fuel efficiency. One of the biggest advantages for beginners is the lightweight design. Tipping the scales at just 227 pounds, 103 kilograms, the Grom is incredibly easy to handle, making low-speed maneuvers, parking, and tight turns feel effortless. The low seat height of 30 inches means that riders of nearly all sizes can get both feet on the ground, a crucial confidence booster for those just starting out. The Honda Grom also excels in the practicality and affordability departments. It offers over 130 miles per gallon, making it one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles on the market. Its low price tag, minimal maintenance requirements, and Honda's legendary reliability make it an appealing choice for students, commuters, or anyone looking to ride without breaking the bank. Despite its small stature, the Grom doesn't skimp on style. The 2025 model features bold bodywork, customizable panels, and LED lighting that give it a fresh, modern look. Riders can also tap into a massive aftermarket scene, with endless accessories and modifications available, from performance upgrades to aesthetic tweaks. But perhaps what truly sets the Grom apart is its pure sense of fun. It invites new riders to explore, experiment, and enjoy the ride without pressure. Whether you're riding solo through city streets, joining a group of fellow Grom enthusiasts, or just learning how to shift gears, the Grom makes every journey feel lighthearted and exciting. In conclusion, the Honda Grom is not just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to the riding lifestyle. With its compact size, user-friendly nature, and energetic personality, it's no wonder it continues to be hailed as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. For those looking to start their riding journey with confidence and a smile, the Grom is ready to roll.